Morning, everybody. How are we? How are we? We see green. We see green. Let's go. We have green in the pre-market for once. We had a ton of green yesterday, and then it just turned out to be shit. But anyways, yeah, I actually got a special thing for y'all today. Okay, this is actually the wrong one, but I have a special video for everyone that I want everyone to preview. I'm gonna give everyone like a sneak peek, basically, of this meme video that I did. I think it's gonna be absolutely hilarious. I think you guys will really enjoy it. But yeah, for the markets today, we got what 15 minutes till the open. There's no news really, except I mean, I guess technically there is news from 15 minutes ago. It's not news, but when moon. This video will answer that question for you. This video will, at least hopefully. I'm gonna once we get like a lot of viewers in here and it's like a quiet time in the markets, everything is going sideways for a second. We're gonna watch the meme video. It's scheduled to come out. Let's see. When did I schedule it for? I scheduled it for tomorrow at 3. Okay, I scheduled it for 3 a.m. Okay, that's not gonna work. Let's do 3 p.m. Okay, there we go. All right. When Lambo, when Moon. Your questions will be answered, my brother, my captain, my king, my brother, my captain, my king. All right. So the broader markets today. I apologize if I seem a little tired today. Well, you're just going to have to deal with it because, well, I was up till like 1 a.m. working on the meme video because it took way longer than I expected. And I didn't actually know I was going to do it until really late. But UVXY down a little bit pre-market, not that much, honestly. IWM, Dow up a little bit pre-market. SPY up. So it's looking like it. You know, who the hell knows? Okay, it's literally just. You know what? Let's look at the technicals of the Nasdaq and the SPY here to see if we can get a sense for what is about to happen. Because I have not even looked at this. I'm gonna be honest with you. Okay, so it looks like we got rejected there. Did we get rejected at the SAR or at the Super Trend again? I'm guessing we did. No, we didn't. Okay, nice. We actually got the flip. Okay, that actually happened. That actually happened yesterday. Okay, so we did get the bullish flip on the Super Trend on the Nasdaq yesterday. So that's actually really cool. That's actually really good. Let me look at the daily here. Okay, so we have the SAR. Okay, so the Nasdaq's not looking as bad as I thought. Actually, okay, so that's good. We did get rejected, obviously, at the next level of resistance here. What I'm worried about is high growth. What I'm not, I'm not even worried about high growth. I'm just worried about inflation fears. That's it. That's it. I'm worried about the government doing the highest spending and most printing of all time. That's what I'm scared about. But yeah. What state do you live in? I live in Missouri, my friend. Missouri. I'm down in hillbilly town in Missouri. In Missouri, my friend. It's a great place. I don't know. Not really particularly, I guess. I don't know. Morning, my friend. Morning, my friend David. How's everyone doing? What's up, Unlucky Buddy? How are we doing? We got 12 minutes until the open. And for anyone who's just getting in now, I want to say stay with us for a little bit. Oh, I should just play this now. Should I just play it now? I have a meme video for you. It's real. I think it's really funny. I worked on this like 3 hours last night. That's why I'm so tired today. Let me know if we should just play it now. Honestly, there's nothing really happening in the pre-market. I mean, I don't know. Is nothing happening like usual? Nothing's happening like usual. Oh yeah, did anyone notice yesterday when we end the stream, the markets literally just tank? Literally right after we end the stream, it's always something exciting. Always. It doesn't matter what I do. All right. So let me know if you guys want to see this. I'll play it for you if you want. Invite me to your place. You're invited, my friend. Everyone's invited. Everyone's invited, man. Come on. Oh, man. All right, we got one yes for it. I really want to play this. We got 11 minutes till the open. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's just do it. Let's just play. This video may get copyrighted for this, but it's all right. It's all right. Here we go. Here it is. Hold on, I'm gonna restart it because it's really quickly. You got to pay attention, especially at the start. You got to pay attention a lot. All right, correction. Hold on. Let me. Okay, there we go. Oh, this took me like 3 hours. Oh God, I love this, and it's really short too. I wish I could make it longer. Can you guys tell what's going on right now? This is so awkward just with silence. I don't know what to do. Oh, up 22% next day. I love this. I think this is funny as hell. I'm gonna post this shit to Wall Street Bets. No, Frodo. Oh my god, I had such a good time making this. I love it. It took me a while and I was tired as hell. I stayed up till like 1 a.m., but it was so fun to make this. This is my favorite part, bro. Oh. Oh man. Legolas, he's too good. Sam has diamond hands. If you don't watch Lord of the Rings, this is gonna be really confusing, but I think most people do, so. Alright, it's almost done. There we go. To be continued. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I think it's good. I think it's gonna do well. I think this video is gonna do really well. Though the bad thing is it got copyrighted, so I actually cannot make any money off of it. So that's amazing. And they're like, and I'm sure this will be the video to blow up. But hey, that's not what we do. That's not why we do it. We do it for the cause. We do it for Bionano. So that's fine. Hey, I'm thankful whether it blows up or not. The 30%. Oh man, what do you guys think of that? Do you guys think I should change something? What do you guys think I should do? I can change it before I have it saved as a project. I can change stuff on it. John Wick with a longbow, yeah, pretty much, pretty much. God, the first John Wick was so great, and then another two just kept getting worse. They were still all right though. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you for the feedback. What else do y'all think? Whatever, I want everyone to let me know what you think of that. Please tell me. There's like 30 people that watched it fully, I think. So please tell me. All right. Damn it, they just they just detected the copyright. Damn it, this stream just got copyrighted. Ah, dang it. Well, let me just go ahead and do this live behind the scenes. I knew it was gonna get copyrighted, but I don't care. I don't care. Let me put this off. All right, that's a badass post to Reddit. Yeah, I'm definitely doing that. 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9, 10, 125, 2, 3, 1, 187. Well, actually, Ryan, actually, it's way more than that because, like, you know, if after you go up 100%, 1% is more than what 1% would be if you had not gone up 100%. So it's actually way more than that. Plus, it's just a joke, but yeah, that's funny as hell. But yeah, no, we're expecting, honestly, I should have done like a 300% run after Nano Nozzle, but I don't know. I just put 100% just to be, I don't know. Yeah, that's just what I did. Robbie reported it. That was nice. I was looking forward to see the continuation from To Be Continued. Oh man, yeah, it's so hard. It's you guys will not believe how long it took me. Like literally, I was working on that for an hour, and then I looked at the time that I was on it, and it was literally like not even at 30 seconds. I was like, holy shit. So wow, all right, I'm really gonna work till 1 a.m. on this. But yeah, that's what I did, and it's finished now. I'm glad I got it done. So yeah, we'll show that. We will show that meme later on in the stream because I want everyone to be able to preview that. But let me know what are your ideas? Boromir getting killed as Robbie selling at the bottom. Or yeah, I had so many ideas for it, guys. You don't even want to hear my ideas for it. I had so many complex ideas about freaking Frodo and the bears turning to good. Like, oh my gosh. Right now, Frodo is actually spoiler alert for I guess for everyone who's with the channel this early on, you get to know what the plan is. I'm gonna make a series of memes that tomorrow is gonna be the first one. I might release it. I'll release it today if Bionano interest is good today, but I'll probably, I don't know. Right now, I have it scheduled for tomorrow. Fearful Frodo was literally me thinking about selling the insurance. My friend, I literally thought of you, Ryan Merck. I'm not kidding. With your comments yesterday, I literally, I literally thought of you being Frodo when he falls down, like contemplating selling. I love this video. This video, it's pretty. I don't know. I feel like I could have done it better, but I'm not that great of an editor. I mean, I guess I don't know. I guess I'm all right, but I wanted to do more, but I don't know. That's what I ended up with. But I still really like it. It's still my favorite video that I've ever done. It's gonna be fun as hell. We got 4 minutes till the open. All right. Oh, the barcoding. The barcoding for Bionano. Look at this barcoding, man. I mean, this isn't straight barcoding, but it's basically barcoding, if you know what I mean. You know? The bears are gone. Great job, man. Of all the people, you were the best option to make a great meme vid for Bngo. Thank you for your hard work to the fucking moon. I love it. I love it. The vid just killed the bear horse. Man, I think, dude, I think that video, if something is gonna blow the channel up, or not blow the channel up, but if one video is gonna do well, I think that's the one that would do it. You know? I don't know. I think everyone that is a stock market person and even knows about Bionano could have a good time with that video. I feel like. What's up, EJ? What's up, my friend? And we're gonna show, for anyone who's just getting in now, we're gonna show a preview of the meme sometime later in the video. I don't know. Sometime later we'll go ahead and show that one again. It's funny as hell. It's awesome. I love it. I love it, man. All right, Bitcoin. 37K. Man, this thing is literally just sideways. Just take a side. Either go up again or go down. Please go down. Man. Holding 37,000 shares of Bngo. Holy crap. If you're holding 37 shares, that's amazing. Please post it to our Discord. The Bngo is the new AMC chat. Also, please post. Oh, we have a couple here. Nice. Nice. I didn't even see these. But yeah, also post it to Wall Street Bets, please. We've got 2 minutes till the open. All right. Well, that was a quick little pump to the dump. Barcoding in chart looks disgusting. Why is no one interested? Because of the lack of this. The lack of this. This is what's going to be. I swear, if there's one thing that I've done that can increase the interest of Bionano, it's this video right here. I think. It's this video right here. I think I'm also going to pay a couple $100 to do ads of this video. Like, have it as an ad. I think that's what I'm going to do as well. I want this video to absolutely explode. All right. Jim Craver gave high growth a nod. All right. Jim Cramer is always interesting, right? All right. What's your once it stops barcoding, our channel will have 5x subs. Yeah, imagine what the channel. The comment yesterday was talking about that, and it was really cool. I thought, but anyways, we got 3 seconds. Okay, no, 1 minute till the open. 1 minute. 1 minute till the open. How are we gonna open up, boys? What are y'all's predictions? Honestly, I kind of have a bad feeling about today. I'm not gonna lie, so I don't really want to make a prediction. Mostly just because look at the chart pattern. The chart looks really ugly. The technical price target is all the way down to like $4, $4 or $5 even. So I don't think we're gonna hit that, but the chart is not looking good. The chart is looking ugly, to be honest with you. Oh man. But of course, fundamentally, we're looking great, and I'm not selling a single share because I'm not risking nano nozzle dropping or any sort of catalyst to screw me over. Hell no. Picked up 26 shares yesterday at 540. I'm well on my way to 37K shares. JK. Because we always go red on green days. Not always. Definitely not always. All right, we got a couple of seconds till open. All right, here we go. Let me put it on the broader market watch list so we can see how the market's open up with. So the Nasdaq is supposed to open up about 0.5% in the green. Straight red right out the bat, just like yesterday. No volume? Really? Even at the open, there's no volume. I give up. Oh my gosh. Looks like we do have some buying. Okay, at 548. All right. God, this is so sad. There's there's nothing. There's nothing. This is so sad. This is so anticlimactic. I apologize if I seem tired today and less energetic. That I definitely am. I definitely am. Yeah, I think we're about 1% up right now. Yeah, we're about 1% up. Doesn't seem like it though. Oh gosh, this is painful. Oh, we're still going down. This is so sad to see. All right, you know what? Maybe I should just drop the meme video today. You think I should just drop it today? Screw it. Yeah, I can't wait. I need to see that video get views because none of the other ones do. I can't wait. There's nothing. There's no volume whatsoever. There's not. Oh my gosh. There's no volume. Brandon is tired. Yes, I am. I'm sorry, boys. Yes, this is going to be. Hopefully, something can happen today. Like Bionano either going way up or at least staying green. That can give me some energy today. But yeah, up till 1 a.m. yesterday, working on the meme video. So yep, you're gonna have to deal with that, boys. I will try to be loud and crazy like usual. All right. Let's check high growth. I think I heard AGTC mentioned. AMC, nothing. Everything's sideways. Everything is even right now. Basically, there's nothing even at 1 or 2% of the green, really. Look at that. That's pretty crazy. AGTC is doing well. Okay. We want AGTC up 25%. I disagree with you, my friend. I want all of the AGTC money to come to Bngo, my friend. I'm going to be honest with you. NASDAQ go boom. Yeah, man. Dude, this is crazy. Honestly, I talked about yesterday the rubber band effect about why high growth can't go much farther down if the NASDAQ keeps going up. And it's just, and I think we're going to start to see that we're going to see that undoubtedly. I just don't know when. But there is everything is correlated in the markets. You cannot have one sector go to the moon while the other one just continues dumping. It's impossible. So we'll see what happens. But Bionano is now even. Bionano is now red. Nice. We are now red. Let's go. We're red now. Yeah. Oh. This is painful. You have to laugh. You have to act like you're laughing it off, not to cry. That's what. God damn it, man. God damn it. All right. 540. We have walls at 540 and 535. Pretty fairly big walls. We'll see if they're not fake. Hopefully they're not fake. I think fundamental of the company doesn't even matter at this stage. It's already good and more than enough. We just need interest like Elon Musk tweets. Yeah, I mean pretty much. Pretty much. Yeah. I'll tell you what though, if Bionano stays red, I'm gonna have to add shares, even though I have no buying power. I'm gonna have to add shares because the NASDAQ is green in a big way 2 days in a row. And high growth has been getting killed. So I'm going to have to add. Good morning. Could you increase your audio volume by about 10% to match another stream I'm alternating with yours? Okay. I don't know if I can do exactly 10%. I can try to increase it a little bit. Is that better? Let me check the order flow. All right. Well, okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. I hate the order flow distribution. Okay, I think this thing is outdated. I don't think Weibo does a good job of updating this because it never matches what's actually going on. Look at this. Okay, it's literally there's so many times there's 0 large scale orders and it's just like, oh, there's a ton now. It's like, what the hell? I don't know. That's just me. I want to talk about the news really quick because literally the open is just so boring. I'm gonna end the stream. Literally, I'm gonna end the stream the earliest today if nothing else, if nothing happens, because I literally all I want to do today is just watch this video get views, which it probably won't. So that's nice depression, my friends. But you need to vote, boys. I'm gonna give you the link to this in the chat right now. If you are a Bngo shareholder, you need to vote. There's the link right there. If it works. Okay, no, that's not the right link. Okay, never mind. Let me try again. Oh god. All right, there it is. All right, so go everyone go vote there. All right, they literally just posted this 10 minutes ago? 20 minutes, 30, 34. It's okay, 34 minutes ago. Well, you get what I mean. Microvision up 1.5%. Skills doing nothing. MP doing nothing. God, this is such a boring day. AMC is where all the money is. Oh my gosh. I mean, I want AMC to squeeze so then they come to Bionano, right? I think that could happen, but like, this is painful short term. This is painful short term. Oh, don't you just wish that's what Bionano's chart looked like? Oh my gosh. What's level 2 look like? It's right there on the right of the screen, my friend. Right there. All right. God, AMC, stop it. Stop going up. Stop it. You're literally inversely correlating with Bionano. All right. Imagine a world where Brandon tweets stock pumps. That's how popular we need this channel. I agree. That would be so sick, would it not? High growth getting killed because of inflation. Well, it fears the pre-anticipatory running selling off. The pre-anticipatory selling off could be happening, but it's so weird that people are like, "Oh, high caps are gonna be good, but inflation's gonna hurt high growth way more." It's like, why? It's not. They're all companies, man. They're not that. I mean, they're different, but they're not like. It's not like one. It's not like inflation is gonna hurt one and not hurt the other. It's gonna hurt everybody if it happens, which it's going to. Core inflation is Friday, May 28th this week. That is what is the scary thing right now. We're green. Yes, I'll be happy if we end the day green, honestly. I'll take any green. I'll be happy for the day. I'll call it a day if we just end green. What GME having a better day than EMC today? Really? Yeah, I was about to say. I didn't see that. All right. Let me check this, make sure we're not missing anything. No, we are not, of course. Let me check the institutional. You know what? I actually have not checked this today. Let me check this. Dang it, why is there no... Oh my gosh, we've had the most boring couple trading days. Oh, never mind, we actually have something. Wow, okay, we have 2 institutions selling out. Okay, so this is actually a short position, I think. And then we have someone selling out advisory services. So let me actually control F. We have 2 institutions selling out of Bionano today, or yesterday, technically, which is... Okay, so they must have filed this in the nighttime yesterday. But the institutional ownership actually didn't go down at all. So that's what I'm confused about. So we had 2 institutions selling out filed yesterday, but the institutional ownership did not change, telling me that either these were not big enough positions or Fintel's being stupid again, which is obviously a totally reasonable possibility. Brennan is back. Messenger Moistville. Strange Bionano hasn't put out a PR since earnings, and we know that they have plenty of content. Not their style. Something is up. Yeah, I'm kind of, as time goes on, I'm kind of getting more and more suspicious of the bull case, which I don't want to be that guy that's like, oh, we're going to get a buyout with barely any evidence. But the fact that they've been quiet this long, it's very peculiar. I think that there's a lot of things that could make them want to not focus on PR, like the Illumina acquisition that could be happening, like the nanonozzle developments, or even Sapphire 2.0 developments. Remember, guys, nanonozzle and Sapphire 2.0, they put the Sapphire 2.0 commercial release date is at the end of 2023 maximum. They underpromise, overdeliver, and I would not be surprised based on one. Did this person send me the link? Actually, I don't. You know what? I'm not going to check it right now just because I'm not going to show my private messages. But what do you call it? There actually is new evidence that may be. There's new evidence that may be very strong reasoning to believe that the Sapphire 2.0 is going way sooner and quicker than expected. I don't want to get everyone's hopes up, but the fact that they're being this quiet is weird, and it's going to be interesting. Inflation will crush the market. That's what I'm scared about. That's what I'm scared about, my friend. Inflation crash. I'm actually not scared about inflation crashing the market as much as the government's insane spending, which is very similar because, you know, I mean, they're very related. But yeah, we're almost up 2% now. Dude, why am I getting these notifications? No, turn them off. Turn off the notifications. God, the new Weeble update, I started getting notifications on my phone. God damn. All right, how would a buyout reflect the stop price? If there was a buyout, 99% chance that we would go up at least 100%. If it was a favorable deal, which I'm sure it would be with Sapphire and Bionano's potential, they would not accept a deal unless it's damn good. So, yeah, we would get a buyout for several multiples of the price probably. But I'm not an expert on buyouts. I don't have as much experience on buyouts as I do most other things. So someone confirm that for me in the chat. Someone fact check me. All right. Oh, here comes the dumpage. God, I'm so scared. I'm so afraid. Give me the strength to die well. Braveheart, anyone? Braveheart, anyone? Any Braveheart fans in here? I was right. Red to green. Yay. Hope it goes further. Why do you have to say that? Now we're going down. No, I'm kidding. Calm before the storm, hopefully. This happens every day. Green for 15 minutes, then red rest of the day. We weren't green for 15 minutes. We weren't. We were red for 5 minutes. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, man? And it does not happen every day. What do you mean? I watch the stop price every day, and that's not a pattern that is super common, I would say. All you have to do is look at the daily chart. I mean, the last few days we've been trading sideways, but since earnings, we've been just doing well. We've been doing well. One of these days, man, we're going to break 580. We're going to break 580. We've literally been teasing the breakout for a while now. Freedom. Bngo is mooning, lol. Oh, man, everyone. Oh, man. I want to show the freaking meme video, but I'm not going to during the market open. But anyways, but yeah. More on that later. More on that later. We have a meme video ready for Wall Street bets. That's what I'll say. And if you want to see it, if you want to see the preview, stick around the stream for a little bit. Let me look at that volume analysis. Okay, I like the green. Okay, here we go. We got some there we go. Look at that. 941.36, 5,000 shares almost. That's what I like to see. 2,000, 1,000, 1,000, 7,000. Look at that. 555, 7,000 shares added. Hell yes. Oh, damn. It looks like there was a lot sold as well. 4,000, 2,000. Dang. Well, green still matches it, or actually beats it. So I like to see it. I like to see it. Look at that volume analysis. We're seeing green. Green, my friends. There's nothing on the level 2 data. There's no volume whatsoever. All right, let's look at how bad our volume is today. 1 million. Oh, I think that's a record low. I'm serious. Is that a record low for the first 12 minutes of open? I don't know. I think it might be. Am I right about that? Someone tell me. Oh, gosh. Is AMC going? No. No. Oh, no. This is not good. This is not good. I'm fine with AMC going if they're going to switch to Bngo after, but I don't think they are. But I can make a new video on that, hopefully rallying some of them to our calls, hopefully. I just asked for my control number in eToro, waiting for their reply. What do I vote for? Just vote with the company. I think they'll say which ones they vote for. I voted a while ago when there was no freaking control number. I don't even know. Technically, I don't even know if it was the right thing, but it was, because it was the same questions that I've seen other people talk about. So. And they said my vote was recorded. I voted way in April, so I don't. So the whole control number thing is weird to me because I didn't have to do that to vote. At least I don't. At least I think I voted correctly. It said my vote was recorded properly, so I'm assuming I voted. I hope I voted right. But anyways, yeah, just vote with the company. I think it's yes to both of them. That's what I did, at least. If you only had one question you had to ask Eric if you interviewed him, what would it be? I haven't actually given a lot of thought to that, believe it or not. One that there's so many. There's a couple. I don't have the exact wording done yet. I would have to plan them out. But man, that's a good question. Base positive. Your broker should have sent them your control number in an email. And if they haven't, you can ask them, I guess. Right. If interest rates even twitch, the market will react negatively. It will ripple affect everything around it. Yes, but how much? Yes, but how much, and how much is already priced in? That is the golden question, my friend. I agree with you that interest rates are going to rise and the market is going to freak out. And the government has been spending more money literally ever. The government literally only gets bigger, and the government only spends more money. Literally, if you just look at the government size over the last in history, that's just what happens in the U.S. There is never any government reduction. And that's what I'm scared about. And I'm not trying to tell you whether big government or small government is bad, but I'm just trying to tell you that for economically for the market, it's not a good thing when the government gets bigger in the aggregate. It's not good. Okay, if you get offended at that, I don't care either way, whatever you get offended at, but that's just, oh my God. All right, what do we got though? 3% up now. Let me see okay, so high growth is just all green now. So that's pretty much what's happening. High growth is getting a little bit of a kickstart right now. And did you guys notice we started going up right when AMC started going down? What are the questions? Yeah, that's a good question. I'll tell you what, one question that I would ask Eric, I would word it very nicely, and I would do it within, like, I don't know, halfway within the interview just to be subtle. I don't know. And I would ask him about, I would ask him something about the nano nozzle, but I would frame it very nicely to where he could say something that would be innocuous enough for not legal harm, but but it would be something that he would be able to say. I don't know. I'll tell you when I think of one. I really want to ask him about the operating expenses, about what they're going to do. And this is a simple one, but I want to ask him what they're going to do to stop the operating expenses from matching the revenue increases year over year. That's actually the one thing that I'm really worried about for Bionano. Because Simply Wall Street, for some reason, thinks operating expenses are going to literally rise to the moon and never stop. They're just going to keep rising. So I don't think they will, but I would love, and there's not really any way we can predict what the operating expenses are going to be. So what better way than to ask the CEO himself what they're going to do to stop them from rising? All right. Yeah, this is the worst volume. I give up. Okay, no, I don't. I've been saying I give up every day, but I'm still here doing the streams, trying to increase the volume. But this video, guys, I'm telling you, for those that are just getting in, I have a meme video of Bionano coming in. And I'm going to show you this to you later in the stream. I've already showed it once before the market opened. This is our last chance, realistically, at either hopefully helping Bionano's interest, number 2, or B, getting this video to blow up, which would do the same thing, or number 3, get this channel to blow up and my channel to do well, right? So this is kind of the last chance, I think, because everyone is going to like this video. It's a me. It's like one of those, have you guys ever seen the GME memes about Lord of the Rings? Like, no, we would go to 1,000, Gandalf says to Pippin, right, in Return of the King, right? It's one of those, kind of. It's not as professional, but it's pretty sick, I think. I think it's pretty sick. All right, there's nothing you can do about that in a growing company. More employees means more operating expenses. Yes, but can we not have 100% year-over-year operating expense growth for the next 5 years? Can we not have 100% growth? Can we have something less than that? Can we beat the operating expense increase by the revenue increase? That is what we need. That's how we get profitable. When you show the meme vid again, make yourself smaller. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, I should do that. Yeah, that's a good tip. Thank you, Thank you, John, my friend. Does Weeble show a list of the lowest volume stocks of the day? What stocks does Bngo sit with? God, that's so true. Bngo literally, there should be a list called lowest volume tickers, and Bionano should be on it because there's no volume. Oh, come on, boys. We have to get the volume up. Oh. Damn it. All right. Up 2% right now. Let me check that fear index. Oh, no. Fear index just increased. No. Oh, God, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm literally, when I say I'm scared, I just think of William Wallace before he's about to die. That's all I can think of. Which makes me want to hold even more and buy even more. But I'm not, because I understand that we could see another correction of 10 to 15%. I mean, I don't know about 10, 15. Here's what could happen. The NASDAQ could correct to the 200-day EMA, right? Right about there. And the SPY, I think it's about the same for the SPY, right? Let me see here. Well, SPY's got a little longer to go. But, yeah, both of them could see a correction down to that 200-day EMA. We definitely could. Or we could just go sideways until it comes up, right? Either way. There's a lot of things in the markets that can free the markets. But there's one great thing about the markets. There's one great thing about the markets that all the bears like to not talk about. The great unemployment benefits, like the super, everyone gets more money to stay home. Those unemployment benefits are ending in a lot of states. And as they end more, there's just more jobs, more economic growth. So the market should like that. But at the same time, the government, I saw a chart yesterday about how much the government has spent the last 2 years. And it is absolutely, and it's so scary to me, at least. A lot of people don't care about that. Is the company handle still a thing for Bngo? Yes, it is. Yes, it is, but every day it gets more unlikely because the handle is way too long. So it's really not here. Let me just get rid of let me maximize the chart so you can see this first. Let me get rid of the bull pennants because this is kind of a lost cause because we literally, on the day after, the only day I had this drawn up for, basically right after I had it drawn up, nice clean validations, we falsely broke down, and then we falsely broke out, and then we confirmed the breakdown, and now we're going up again. It's like what the hell is this? This is the worst chart signals that you could ever get. If you've been trading the bull pennant the last 2 days, you have literally lost so much money because it literally just gives you so many false signals. That's why sometimes Sometimes you gotta look at more than just the technicals, my friends. But yeah, that for some of my bears that are like, oh, the chart's not looking good. All right, but let me drop a handle here before I start ranting for eternity. All right, so I'm gonna draw something like this. Let's see here. Let me just see if I can draw something like this. Something like that. Now, you could say, okay, Brandon, come on, put it a little higher. Yeah, I'm going to keep it like that because that just looks like a normal handle. But yeah, it's perfectly reasonable that we could easily break out of this and head on our way to the 726 roughly price target. Chris Stewart said he expects operating expenses to go up about 50% this year, but nothing planned so far for expenses to grow beyond that. But more expansion will mean expenses will grow more, but also more expansion implies more revenue, of course, obviously. But that's good. Wait, Jay, send me the link to that. Send me the link. Did he say that? JJ, I'm serious. I really want that link. Tell me, because if he does, that's actually really bullish, most likely, if he actually said that. Send me the link for that on the Discord, please. Or email if you don't have the Discord. Send me a free link in the description. Bngo chart moving up. Bngo chart moving wants us to lose all of our money. What? Right. What was your end of year price target? Do you still think it will hit? Well, I'm not gonna lie to you. I mean, I have my $20 end of year price target has only gotten. I mean, in a way, it's only gotten more likely with the fundamental increases. The only thing that concerns me about the end of year price target, the only thing that could kind of screw us, realistically, is that the Sapphire doesn't sell much because last quarter they didn't sell as many Sapphires. But I don't think that the sales of the Sapphire is literally why I'm so bullish on the company, because there's no reason why you would use karyotyping, CMA, or Fish, or Hi-Fi. Sapphire is the best, so I don't have any doubt of the sales. But I'll say this: the lack of people who do their DD on Bngo and lack of people who are interested in the stock do concern me about this likely case scenario. But I'm keeping it at 20 right now. I'm keeping it at 20. I still think by the end of the year, the interest. I still think it'll hit 20. That's what I think that's what I think the likely case is. I could easily be wrong. Boys. All right, did we just really dump all the way down? Wow. Okay then. Wow, that was a short-lived run. Right back to where we opened up with. Nice. Dude, Bionano's stop price, man. I know we say this a lot, but literally it has been so weird. Like, what? There's not even a wall at 550. We're literally just bouncing up and down. Like, oh my gosh, this is. It was in the conference call. I don't have a link. Okay, I'll control F it. Then I'll fact check you on stream, man. All right, Henry, let me go to miscellaneous here. I don't remember him saying that though. Are you sure? I hope you're right. I want to believe you. I don't think you're lying, but I don't remember that in the call. Okay, so he said 50% operating expenses, right? So 50. Reduce the costs. Okay, that's not it. 50%. Somewhere in the neighborhood 35 to 50% in a year. Nope, it's not there. Oh, is this it? No, I don't think he said it, man. Nope. Maybe they did it this way. No, I'm not finding it. Tell me that, JJ. Tell me the exact quote. This is the transcript right here. This is the transcript right here, JJ. He should have said it should be in here. It's not there though. So tell me the exact quote and I'll look it up again. Bngo had a little too much to drink last night. Yeah, more like had a little bit too much to drink at 1569. All right. Bngo had a little bit too much to drink. In my opinion, it's just the shorts trading with each other. It goes up and they short it. It goes down. They cover it. They just range bound for cover. Yeah. Yeah, the shorts are. This is an easy start to short, man. Right now, it's an easy start to short. Now, of course, I don't recommend shorting because it's too damn risky. But because literally all it takes is one. You take a short position on the wrong day, nano nozzle drops. They leak Illumina acquisition. Another acquisition of Bionano acquiring another company, even maybe. Okay, I mean, there's so many things that could send this stock. Another Sapphire adoption, dude. I mean, although the stop price doesn't even care about this stuff usually, any of this stuff could and should send the stop price way up, and you'll be screwed as a short. So I don't know. That's just me. That's just my thinking. Yeah, I don't think he said that. I don't think he said 50% because I would have really there's a low chance that I missed that because that's something that I would love to know. Because if he said that, here's the thing: if he said we were only going to get 50% year-over-year operating expense increase, I would have to do the exact calculations to see what that comes out to each quarter. But I think if that is true, then we would likely see a positive quarter this year. Because here's the thing: Simply Wall Street is projecting 60%, over 60% year-over-year revenue growth for Bionano. So if operating expenses is only going to grow by 50%, we may be profitable a quarter. Chris Stewart did say double-digit growth this year. Did he say that in this call? Oh. That's Eric again. That's about the Sapphire systems. Okay, well, I believe you, Brendan. Hit the like button, boys, girls. I didn't actually try to say that. I just read. Sometimes I just start reading chats and I just start saying them out loud. All right, let me check the broader markets here. UVXY. Oh my gosh, this is what scares me. This is what scares me right here. This and the governments. These are the two things that scare me. This is why I actually want JMIA to I actually want to sell this call. I actually want JMIA to just pump real quick and then I want to get out of there. Man, JMIA is struggling with this level. All right, needs to stay above 554. We need to stay above a lot of levels, my friends. We need to stay above, preferably, the most important level for Bionano, which we're not even that close to right now. I mean, we're pretty close, but let's see where it's at now. It's at, okay, wow, it went down a lot. Now it's at 566 now. So we got to stay above 566 now, but that's going to move. I think it moves intraday sometimes. So if we were to break it, it's probably going to be higher. So yeah, we need to break above the 21-day SMA. Middle Bollinger Band, need to stay above that. We've touched this so many times, and we still have not broken out. Tomorrow, we will get that PR and boom. Well, usually when we get PR, it just goes down. But it's good. He said possibly triple, did he not? Man, we have so many due diligence legends in here right now. I'm astonished. It's incredible that we can't figure this out, but we will figure it out. Triple digit. Did he say that? Okay, so it looks like there's nothing there with. Let me see, 3x. Of course, he didn't say 3x. 3 times, maybe? No. I don't know. I'm stumped. Somebody, 20 to 40% increase in the fourth quarter earnings call. Okay, let me see. Do I even have the... I don't even think I have the freaking quarter 4 2020 transcript linked in here. Quarter 4 2020 Bionano Genomics ER transcript. Can't type. All right. Here we go. All right, so triple digits, or 20 to 40%, you said, right? 20 to 4. Okay, so let me just do this. Okay, here we go. All right, so this is it. And recognizing you don't provide guidance as such on operating expenses, I think we will expect OPEX expenses to accelerate pretty meaningfully this year. Any parameters you would provide as to how you think about either over the 12 months or the longer term, the trajectory of spend? That's a great question, man. All right, so this was quarter 4, 2020 earnings report. Okay, so headcount. Hold on. Headcount, sales, marketing, organizations, and R&D. Spending on these clinical trials, and we do have 4 big clinical trials coming up. All right, as you heard from Eric, clinical trials going as fast as we can, so yes, it's going to be up. I don't think it's going to be staggering. I'd say somewhere in the 20 to 40% this year. And then I would probably keep it in that range for the next couple of years' growth. That range. Wow. Now, hold on. Are they actually talking about operating expenses year over year? I think they are. But technically, it's OPEX expenses. OPEX is going to be up. I don't think it's going to be static. So he thinks OPEX is going to be 20 to 40%. Does he mean operating expenses by that, though? What's the exact definition of OPEX expenses? Hold on. What exactly does he mean here? Okay, so yes. Yes, okay, we're good then. Somebody confirm. Okay, good. So OPEX expenses basically just means what I thought. Operating expenses, basically. That's it. So good. This is very good. That's very good, actually. That's very good. That's not even that. If it increases 20 to 40%, unless I'm missing something, if revenue increases over 60%, we're going to be very close to profitable, if not profitable. I'm going to have to do more calculations on that, but I think that's true. All right, let me read these comments. I missed 1,000. Bngo will break down, not up. Oh, that didn't age well short term, I guess, but only time will tell. The biggest things we're investing in this year, first, headcount. We're adding headcount. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. And also spending on the clinical trials. CNBC analysts and others to slow a rally. What? Have commented today that inflation is still a concern and a pullback is coming. The CNBC analysts don't know anything, bro. Trials going as fast as we can get them going. So yes, so OPEX is going to be this year. I don't think it's going to be staggering. Okay, yes. Yes, that's actually really good. Okay, I'm actually gonna take that quote. OPEX is gonna be up this year. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste that and actually add it in here, because that's actually a big quote. That's actually really important for my calculations I'm gonna do. All right. All right, hold on. I'm gonna source it in here. Sorry, 1 second. Is this the one? Okay, yes. All right. Okay. That's big. That's big. Trials aren't cheap. Well, 20 to 40%. That's what they think over operating expenses year over year, every year. That's pretty. That's not as big as simply Wall Street is thinking. We don't think it's going to be triple-digit growth. We'll see year-on-year growth by the end and substantial. Let me control F that. Hold on. Okay, Chris Stewart. So he was asked about 2021, just trying to get a sense on quarter one. Obviously, there's only 8 days left in the quarter. We're trying to get a sense of what that trajectory may look at over there. Okay, so quarter one is a little seasonally soft, right? Labs spend their budgets in quarter four, which is why one of the reasons I do think quarter four is going to be the best quarter for us. And that's the first quarter that I think reasonably a positive EPS is actually possible. Potentially, right? There's still a low chance, but it's possible. And then we expect to see modest growth through the year, quarter on quarter. For the full year, we expect to see like substantial double-digit growth, but we don't think it's going to be triple-digit growth. But we'll see year-on-year growth by the end of the year in substantial double digits. Year-over-year revenue growth at the end of the year in substantial double digits. That coincides with Simply Wall Street, absolutely. That coincides with Simply Wall Street's synthesis on revenue very nicely. But the operating expenses, there's a stark contrast between these guys' CFOs' thoughts on the operating expenses and Simply Wall Street's for this year. There's a big contrast there. But yeah, this is good. This is really good. We don't think it's going to be triple-digit growth, but we'll see substantial. That's pretty big. We could easily see triple-digit growth. Okay, we could easily see that. Sapphire sales go better than expected. It's going to be triple-digit growth year over year. Yeah, we will. Because we only made 10 million last year. We could easily make 20 million this year. Easily. All right. What new news? That's actually not new news, but that actually, I mean, no, it's not new, but it is a good thing to know. It's a very good thing to know. And actually, I'm gonna add that to the document. Sorry. Oh man, that makes me so mad that I didn't do that. I didn't space them. All right. MACD crossover soon. What are you talking about? On the daily, I think we already have it. Are you talking about the 4 hourly? All right, let me see. Microvision up. Oh, high growth taking a hit. High growth taking a big hit. Skills down 2%. MP down still. After the nice run, Mars down big, SENS down very big. What happened to SENS today? Is this news? I feel like this is news. No, it's not. Wow. 90-day insider selling trend continued at SENS. Ooh, that's about as bad as it gets right there, man. All right. That's about as bad as it gets right there. SENS getting wrecked. Let's check the Discord. Do we have any news in the Discord? I don't think we do. Let me check the institutional holdings and let me check the, what do you call it? Check the institutional ownership and the Twitter here. Yeah, I'm scared though, and I need to talk about this more. I need to talk about the markets and reducing risk and the inflation crap on the 1 min. Oh, you're looking at the 1 min. That makes sense. Let me check that for you. Let me fact check you. We like to fact check here. Not in an obnoxious way, but crossover soon. I mean, kind of. Let me check the ADL. Oh, screw up. I can't. I hate one thing I don't like about Weibo is that you can only have about 7, 8 indicators up here at a time. This is confirmed 3-digit. I am projecting. My auspicious projection that I made a while ago is triple-digit year-over-year revenue growth. Yeah. Yeah, it's technically it's like 110%. I think. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Yep. No spamming, my friend. No spamming. Please. Please. I will have to put you in timeout if you do that. All right. Yeah, step between 548 and 554. I'll tell you what, we're going to go ahead and since we have 110 people, we're going to actually show the meme pretty soon. Let me know if you guys want me to even show the meme. I showed it earlier in the stream and people loved it. Or I guess I should say like a couple people loved it. The people that commented liked it. But I'm going to actually show you the meme. I'm going to give you a preview of the video I have coming out. It's scheduled to come out, I think it's later today. Or no, it's tomorrow. Yeah, okay, so it premiered right now. It's set to premiere tomorrow at 3 o'clock. But I think I'm actually gonna schedule that up to today at 3 o'clock because I can't wait. I want those views to come in now. I need the Bionano stop price. I need to do everything I can as quick as possible. But yeah, let me know if you all actually want me to do that. Right, webcam. No, the webcam camera stopped working for a second. Okay, still not working. Okay, there we go. Nice. All right. Do it. Do it. Do it, Anakin. Anakin, you have done well. All right, I'll do that soon. I'll do that soon, but I need more people to say. I need more people to say that's good because I want them to actually know, like, okay. I want them to actually agree that, okay, we should do it. Because there's nothing happening right now. The market's literally, Bionano's literally going sideways. Almost barcoding. There's zero volume. There's nothing going on today. We just checked the high growth. Nothing is doing well today. It was AMC still doing well? I guess we didn't check that. It's holding. GameStop's doing well too. Motherfuckers, man. Dang it. Right. Somebody said aluminum 400 plus per share because multiple products they sold. Bngo only one product. How do you think? No. Bionano, they technically they only have one product, but in reality, that one product is really like a whole world of products because there's not only do you have several options in purchasing and of the one product variations of the product, but you also have a service as well. There's actually a service that you can do. You can actually just send Bionano your samples, your blood samples, your tissue samples, and then I think there's a couple other samples that you can send. But you can send your samples in, and they can actually just give you the data, and you just pay per genome. And it's a pay-per-use system, my friend. It's a pay-per-use. So it's not like they're only selling, oh, we have one little box here. Do you want to buy it? No. They have 1,000 ways that you can get. You can get the reagent rental program. You can actually buy the sapphire itself. You can buy. There's several different ways you can do it. I'm forgetting off the top of my head. Hold on, let me go here and see if I've written it. I don't know if I wrote it down here or not. Forgot if I did. I don't think I did. I want to know though. Anyways, yeah, there's 1,000. Yeah, oh yeah, I forgot about the consumables. What am I thinking? The consumables. Yes, you have to buy the chips. You have to replenish your supplies basically with Bionano. If you're gonna get the Bionano, it's not like it's just gonna work forever unless you get more chips and consumables. What do you think tomorrow will bring Oppenheimer? That's a great question. And we actually have Bngo management presenting at Oppenheimer MedTech live tomorrow, 6:50 a.m. Central Time, 1 hour and 40 minutes before the market open. 1 hour and 40 minutes before the market open. We're streaming this. They are presenting at Oppenheimer MedTech live. The Bionano's management is, right? So management. Hopefully, who knows? Okay, could that mean Eric? Okay, probably not. He's probably working on other things. Or it could be Eric and freaking the CFO, right? It could be the main guys. Or it could just be some crabby guys, right? Or it's fine if they're crabby guys too. They could still drop just as important stuff, right? So that's going to be fun. I don't know. I really don't know what to expect. But what I do know is that we have not had PR in a while. We have not had any events in a while. Relatively, right? It's been like, what, 12 days since earnings? Since earnings, it's been really quiet. And even before that, it was quiet. It's been very quiet, my friends, for Bionano. That's what kind of makes me think. And I'm going to have videos on this if this keeps going. It keeps going on. The silence and what this could mean. Because why else would they be silent if they're not doing, you know, okay, of course, they could just be chilling. Okay, of course. But why, what if this silence is in preparation for a big move? What if this is because they're too busy with paperwork and bureaucratic crap that they got to deal with an acquisition or a deal or a buyout with Illumina or NanoNozzle or Sapphire 2.0 early release or whatever it is, right? I don't know what it's going to be. I don't know if there is anything, but it makes me curious, to say the least. I'm not predicting that. Have you correlated your Mara price predictions to Bitcoin share price? Does Bitcoin need to be above 40K for Mara to add to its current share price? Does Bitcoin need to be above 40K for Mara to add to its current share price? Well, that has to do with that. There's a couple. Mara is a beast. Okay, firstly, you need to understand Mara is a tease. It's a love and hate relationship with Mara. Okay, basically, I put it this way yesterday, right? Bionano is like my wife. And Mara is like my mistress, okay? She's wild, she's a tease, but she will go way up when Bitcoin goes up mostly. But also high growth has a tether to her as well. So you got to be careful with this one. You got to be careful. This one, what's a good girl to use as an example in a movie? I'm trying to think. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, you got to be really careful. But I would say this: if Bitcoin goes to 40K, yes, Mara is going to rise. Yes. Usually, some days Bitcoin will go up 10% and Mara will go down. Like literally, sometimes that's how crazy it is. But in the aggregate, it's pretty closely correlated. Not always. All right. Okay. Bngo has been mentioned 6 times on Wall Street Bet's daily discussion threads in the last 3 hours. Wait, are you kidding me? Whoa, are you kidding me? Send me the link. Marcus Morph, send me the link right now. I will post this video right now if that's true, or today, even earlier than 3 o'clock if that's true, because that is huge. Hold on a second. Let me check to see if Marcus Sentiment has anything there. I bet they won't because they suck usually. Marcus Sentiment, here we go. Send me the link to that. I want to know the exact numbers. Top stocks of the week. Bngo's nowhere on that one. But on Wall Street Bets, what about Wall Street Bets? Let me see if Wall Street Bets has one of these. Send me the link to that on the Discord right now. Please. I'm going to answer all these questions. There's so many great questions, but I need to know. Oh, I love Wall Street Bets. I could spend all day scrolling through Wall Street Bets. All right. Where is the freaking... It doesn't have it, does it? It doesn't have it. Insider activity, no. Dang it. Send me the link. Send me the link to that. Marcus Morph. Email me that or send it in the Discord right now. I want to know what that is. I want to know if you're actually bullshitting me. I think you're bullshitting me because there's no way. I would have seen it. And there's no Bngo mentions here either. So it's like, well, you know. We need more volume. Exactly, Samuel, and that is why we have to get Wall Street Bets on board, and we have to get them on board, my friends. For everyone who doesn't like Wall Street Bets, listen to me, give me an open mind right now. I'll convince you that Wall Street Bets is actually good for Bionano. They are a net positive for the stock. Hear me out. Please hear me out. All right. Here we go. Are you ready for the rant of the century? Are you ready? Let me get a drink of water before I fuck this up. we're going to squeeze the shit out of Bionano, my friends. Wall Street Bets is going to get on board, and not only are we going to increase the stock price, but we're going to make the company and put them in a more auspicious opportunity for not only revolutionizing healthcare, but increasing the life expectancy and improving the life quality of every single person in the world. Global, not US, not one country, everyone in the world. That's what OGM has the potential to do. If we can squeeze it and pump it up and return it to its true value, and even if it is a little bit of a pump and dump. Now, of course, I'm going to get to the pump and dump concerns after the end of this, but if we can just return it to $10 a share, $8 a share, it's more stable. It's more safe. And you guys know what the institutions like. They like safe and steady. Here, let me go right here to prove my point. They like safety as opposed to innovation and potential. Right here. Here you go. They want stable growth and safety over innovation and potential. And if we can return Bionano to its true value or closer to it, the institutions will be more primed to go in, and not only that, but the company will be in a more auspicious position because it's less risk for the stock price, right? Also, we can screw the market manipulators in the process. So why not? Also, that's not even the best part. The best part is that the apes that come in, guess what? I guarantee you, my friends, many of the apes will stay with Bionano. Why? Why would the apes stay with Bionano? They don't know anything. They're stupid, right? If you're one of those people that think all apes are just retarded, okay, that's fine. But let me tell you something, boys. A lot of these people make money. A lot of the Wall Street Bets people make money. If these guys all lost money, they would not be doing it every day. Okay, some of them make money. Plenty of them lose money. Okay, it's literally a lot of it is just gambling. Okay, it's literally called Wall Street Bets. But a lot of them are not dumb. A lot of them are going to look at the company, and a lot of them are dumb, but a lot of the dumb ones are still going to look at the company and realize, hey, this thing is awesome. Optogenome mapping, it has a lot of potential. This is a good company. This is a good cause. Let's stay in here long term. And it's going to be great for the stock price. It's going to be a net positive. So please, if you don't like the idea of Wall Street Bets coming in, pumping us up, tell me why, because I don't understand. All right. Okay. All right, Marcus. They said it there. Send me the link, Marcus. Please send me the link. Please send me the link because I don't think that's actually real. Dang it, you got my hopes up. You got my hopes up so much, my friend. That's not your. I mean, no disrespect, but dang, I really wanted that to be true. It could be. I hope it is true, but I don't think it is because I just looked on Wall Street Bets and Bionano was nowhere, right? So, I don't know. I emailed you. Okay, good. Let's check it. Natural growth is best. It is natural growth, but we're adding in some quick squeezing and the company's natural growth. Okay, if you're going to make the natural growth argument, you have to understand that the stock price is not the company, and natural growth is going to come regardless of what we're doing. And actually, if Wall Street Bets were to come in, natural growth is more auspicious. Do you know why? Because the company's more safe. The company's more stable. The company's going to do the same exact thing if the company doesn't care what the stock price does as long as it doesn't go way up or way down. It doesn't really matter. If we can pump and stay, even if we do something like this and pump down to half of the value, if we're ending better than we started, that is more auspicious for the company. It is. Wall Street Bets pumping the stock is a natural. It's a net positive for the stock. And if you want to say I don't want to apeify the subreddit, dude, come on. You really that's what you care about? The subreddit of Bionano not having apes in it. That's what you care about, dude. We are talking about a company that's revolutionizing healthcare. We're talking about giving them a more auspicious position. We're talking about screwing over the market manipulators, and you care about not seeing apes come up with, oh, YOLO posts. You don't. That's what you care about, not seeing YOLO posts in your subreddit, dude. And what's the argument that someone? I think Havana made a really good argument here. Let me. Havana, there was one argument for not Wall Street Bets that everyone makes. But I hate the I absolutely hate the argument. That's what I just tried to just give you the other side. I don't know. I forgot what it was. I don't know what to search though. I'm a dumb from Wall Street Bets that made money and now want a high risk long term hold. Bngo is peak risk reward for me. See, exactly. Perfect example, man. Perfect example, dude. I'm telling you guys. I truly believe Wall Street Bets is a net positive for the stock. And the only thing that you may say to that is, well, you just want to pump and dump, Brandon. You just want to get out of the stock, make 100% real quick. That is why I have already promised several times, if Wall Street Bets were even to, in the smallest way, adopt the idea and start actually pumping it, I'm hodling through everything I promise you for probably more than a year. Honestly, just if I'm gonna hold through the Wall Street Bets thing, I might as well just hold and get the tax benefits, right? Long-term capital gains, right? Anyways, all right. History of Bngo sentiment. Okay, so all right. Okay. Well, it's not really. I mean, that's kind of going up. It's kind of going up. Is there any other Bngo mentions here? Is there anything else to Bngo? I don't think there is. Here, okay, is Bngo here? No, it's not even here, is it? Oh my gosh. It's not even here. Let me control F. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is how many times Wall Street Bets has mentioned Bngo. Oh, okay, there you go. Mentions. See, look, minus 12% in the mentions. Man, that's what I'm talking about. And guys, I guarantee you, most of these mentions, do you know where they're coming from? Do you guys know where these Bngo mentions are coming from? Right here. This is literally the only Bngo thing I've seen on Wall Street Bets. My post, literally, it's just us. It's just our community doing all the work. No one, no one else doing anything, or at least maybe. I don't know. I guess I shouldn't say for sure. I don't know for sure. But yeah. All right. Wait a second. This was just 12%. Did this just update? Okay, no, that's a different one. Okay, I was about to say, wow, that's crazy. Okay. What is this one? Sized by number of Wall Street Bet mentions, 37%. So it's, I don't know, what is, look at that, Mara's 31%. Wow. So it's what, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. It's about like 25th to 30th in mentions. That's not horrible. That's not horrible. I can't even, okay, so there's Bngo right there. So it's, oh, wow, that's actually worse than I thought. That's probably like 30th or 40th. Wow. All right, well, that's not horrible. That's not horrible. I mean, I'm not really pleasantly surprised, that wasn't that's kind of what I expected, but that's a little better than I expected, I should say, really. So, uh, so yeah, everyone, I'm telling you, man, if I'm telling you, Wall Street Bets is a net positive for Bngo. I truly believe there's like a 99% chance Wall Street Bets, if they came in, it will be a net positive for Bionano. I truly believe that. Please tell me if you guys disagree with me. That if you guys been watching for a while and you are against the Wall Street Bet thing, please hear that little spiel I did 5 minutes ago, and tell me what you think. I own 71,000 shares. I appreciate your hard work, Miles. I appreciate that. I appreciate that so much, man. Send a hey, Miles, if you want to do something awesome, maybe you should post your position and say YOLO to the moon on Wall Street Bets if you want. Post your position and say to the moon. This Bionano job posting requires experience with lasers. Laser fluorescence is used in sequencing. Jason Smith, do you talk about that in your post? I don't think you do. I think when you were talking about the job posting in your post, you were talking about let me know. It was what was it? It was electromagnetic something. I don't remember exactly what it was. Okay, here it is. Oversee the design of ultra precise current and voltage sequencing sources. Sequencing, that would be nice. Sourcing circuits. Such signals can include a fluorescent signal, a chemoluminate. Oh God, I'm not even gonna say. Chemo something signal, an electromagnetic signal, and an electric signal, a potential difference something. Yes, but yeah, there's sequencing, no doubt. Sequencing is definitely coming. Damn, link exceeds 200 characters. Jason Smith, Discord or email, okay, or email, and my email's in the description. Okay, so go to the description, hit the what do you call it? Do the Discord, or email. Yes, Discord. Right, this is another one. Yeah, I know it's another one. It's yeah. So I guess did you not know about this before, or you just didn't think to include in this? I don't know. It's fine if you didn't. You're a legend either way. Oh, okay. It's a new job. Okay. Let me see. Let me see if they just posted this then. Let me actually go to LinkedIn. I should already have this. Oh, I don't. I'm not even logged into LinkedIn on this computer. Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, yeah. You're gonna have to send me the link to that. That's the only way I can see it. Damn. That's good. That's really good. Dude, nano nozzle is coming. I'm telling you. When you guys see the meme video that I do, I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love this meme. You guys are going to love this meme, man. Holy crap, we're at 561 now. Whoa, that was a pleasant surprise, man. Holy crap. All right, what are we at now? 3% now. Oh man, love it, love it. Microvision, nano dimension, high growth is pushing Bionano higher. Oh gosh. I'm too tired, man. Stayed up till 1 a.m. yesterday working on the meme video. I can't think right now. My brain cells are not working. I'm tired. We need to make a new intraday high, though. We need to make my 563. We need to make a new intraday high for some strength in the price action. All right, when you quit BNGO, that's when other people will bail out. You are carrying BNGO right now. No, I'm not. Dude, that is a stupid argument. Do you know why that's a stupid argument? To claim that I am carrying Bngo is to claim that 3,000 people on YouTube have a difference, make a difference in a stock price that has literally millions of dollars traded every day. That's insanity. Mythical physics, that is insanity, man. That is insanity. That's crazy, dude. Look at how many views. I don't get any views. Like if I was a big YouTuber, you could say that. But dude, this is the only time where my views are actually for my case. I don't get any views, my friend. Only 1,000 people watch the Bngo crap. They can't affect the stock price, man. Are you kidding me? Okay, even if they have hundreds of thousands of dollars, they still can barely affect it. So yeah, that's an absolutely stupid argument. That's a stupid argument. All right, nice cup formation. Yeah, this is a cup and handle, but it's only the 1 minute. So cup and handle's on the 1 minute. It's like, you know, we'll see if it comes to fruition. But I'll drop a price target anyway. Screw it, right? Screw it. We'll drop the price target. We didn't make a new intraday high, though. That is not what we want to see. We have a double top as well, but also a cup and handle. So I'm going to go with the cup and handle here because it's such a perfect cup and handle. I mean, look at this. This really is a very nice cup and handle. All right. Yeah, mythical physics, that is stupid. That is a dumb argument, man. I don't like that argument. That actually pisses me off because that's like exactly what I'm not trying to do. I'm not trying to be like the only reason why people invest. No, I'm just trying to give people. You already know my goal, okay? You already heard my rant, okay? I just want people to know about the company and whatever they decide to do based on that, okay? It's their decision, all right? I always give you disclaimers. I always give you a ton of disclaimers, okay? Come on. Come on. Also, all the people that watch my videos are already bulls on Bngo. So yeah, no, there's so many flaws in that argument. So many flaws. All right. The YouTube gods work in mysterious ways. First time here, subbed. Awesome. Love to hear it. Love to hear it, my friends. Hey, for everyone who's just joining, my friends, we have the best video of all time coming in soon. I'm gonna play a preview of it. It is maybe the funniest video you ever see. That sounds arrogant, but I worked on this till 1 a.m. yesterday. I actually got it done only in like 3-4 hours, but it's only 3 minutes long. That's because it's a meme video, and it's awesome. It's got nano nozzle in it. It's got market manipulation. The thumbnail's a little weird. I had a hard time with the thumbnail, but I just chose one of the preset ones actually. But yeah, it looks like, I don't know. Do you guys think this thumbnail's decent? I don't know. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna show a preview of this meme video for Bngo and today, and then I'm also gonna post. I don't know if we're gonna post it tomorrow or the next day. But anyways, but the point of the story is that Wall Street Bets is what's gonna happen. Wall Street Bets is going to happen, my friends. I'm going to post this to Wall Street Bets. Now, of course, Wall Street Bets has been selectively censoring, and literally they talk about, oh, market manipulators, we're going to screw them over, man. They're so corrupt. Let's get rid of the corruption. Literally, their mods selectively choose which stocks get memes that are allowed to be posted and not. There was a great meme video by our friends at the Full Bull podcast. I think it was those guys, or at least some of them were part of the thing that they did. They did a great meme video of Bionano. They posted to Wall Street Bets, and the mods actually reached out to the mods of Wall Street Bets beforehand. Wall Street Bets still removed it. Still did not allow. So I'm not, honestly, I'm expecting this post to get torn down, but you know what is not going to get torn down? Hopefully, this video has already been copyrighted. Literally everything. I already have the copyright disclaimer here. Literally first thing in the description. I have 1,000 edits on screen to prevent the freaking copyright. I still got copyrighted, but it doesn't matter. I'm not going to make any money from this video. I don't care. This is for the damn cause. I don't care if we're not making money from this. This video, Hopefully Wall Street Bets doesn't have connections in YouTube. Hopefully this video doesn't get censored. God, there's so much censorship. It's okay. I'm not trying to take sides, but God damn it, I can't do anything if I'm getting censored like this. We're getting censored from YouTube, from Wall Street Bets. It's everywhere. Bngo cannot get. We can't even do it. We can't even get the information out. It's like what? All right. Anyways, but yeah, Wall Street Bets. This video is going to blow up. They cannot stop us. They cannot stop the Bngo train, man. Wall Street Bets, we're going to squeeze it. We're going to return it to its fundamental value. We're going to provide the company with a more auspicious opportunity to revolutionize healthcare for the better, with not only increasing the life expectancy for all, but increasing the quality of life through optical genome mapping, prenatal tests, postnatal tests, solid tumor research, better diagnosis, prognosis in 1,000 markets that we already have listed in the markets section for Bionano. We have 1,000 of them, okay? All of cytogenetics, right? This first one, okay, well, actually, technically, there's a whole section for cytogenetics, but all of cytogenetics, okay? All of large structural variation, non-invasive prenatal screening, postnatal screening, autism, neurodegenerative diseases, Alzheimer's, ALS, possibly others, leukemia, cancer, has its whole damn section devoted to it because it's literally that big. Miscellaneous, right? There's 1,000 other ones. Also, undiagnosed genetic disorders, hematological malignancies, gene discovery and therapy, blah, blah, yada, yada. Okay, you heard the spiel 1,000 times. IVF, infertility aids. There's more markets, okay? Investing in Bionano, it's not just about squeezing and screwing over the market manipulators. It is partly about that, but it's more about giving a company an auspicious opportunity to literally change the world for the better. Who doesn't want better health for their kids and for themselves? Come on. Come on, boys. There's not a better cause for this. It's time to get on the train, and this video is going to kickstart it all, I think. It's time to get on the damn train, boys. It's time for the Wall Street Bets to bandwagon in. They haven't been with us before, but it's better late than never. It's always better late than never. It's never too late, right? What's the name of that freaking song? 3 Days Grace, right? Yep. Dude, it is time, boys. I'm telling you, it's time. And tell me if you all want me right now to just play the meme video right now, but behind the scenes, right? Tell me, I will play the Bngo meme video right now if you want. Right now, Bngo is kind of running, so I kind of want to keep it on this chart right here. But let me look at the time in sales. Oh, what the? Oh, no. No. 1032.17. We had 62,000 shares. That's no way, man. That's, oh, no. That's not good. That's not good. Wow, 62,000 shares? That's the biggest one I've seen in a while. It's not good. That's not good. But the volume analysis doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look that bad. Start the video, play it. Oh, we want to play it? Okay, I will. Peer pressure, literally all it takes is like 3 people to tell me to do it. Peer pressure, I'll do it. All right, we ready? All right, I'm going to try to be quiet throughout this entire thing, and I'm going to put the freaking, actually, you know what? I'm just going to actually just go ahead and hide this. Okay, here we go. I'm going to play it for you. This video already has gotten copyrighted, so I'm just going to do it anyway. Here we go. All right. Hold on. Let's try that again. Also, by the way, make sure you're looking very quickly. Make sure you're actually like squinting and having your phone like right up next to your face because it's really quick. All right, here we go. Let me know if there's like some news or something that I need to look at while we're doing this video because it's 3 minutes. This is so relatable for all the weekends. I feel like all the weekends can relate to this. No, there's not supposed to be sound. No, if I did sound, the music would get copyrighted. Like I've already got this. Already did get copyrighted. No, I'm gonna put this, there cannot be any sound, unfortunately. No, I wanted to do the sound because the Fellowship of the Rings got amazing sound, but no. Nope, it already got copyrighted. I already did fair use. I already cited fair use. I cited fair use twice, still got copyrighted. The YouTube doesn't care about rights, man. They censor you. They take down your shit either way. I guess I shouldn't say censor, right? That's a little too opinionated, but yeah. You know what I mean. I should have hid the taskbar before I did this, shouldn't I? This is my favorite part right here. Look at this shit. Oh man. Okay, actually, okay, I'm actually gonna end it right there. Okay, I'm gonna end the ending. You're gonna have to wait to see the ending. You're gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait to see the ending, boys. The ending is gonna have to be. You're gonna have to watch the video when it comes out. I think I'm gonna schedule it for today. Actually, you know what? Let me show you behind the scenes how we do things. Okay. No one cares. Let's be honest. But yeah, I'm actually gonna schedule for today because screw it. Screw it. I can't wait any longer. I need to see views because the channel gets 0 views. So, yep. Yep, it doesn't matter. They still copyright. Yeah, they copyright it. It doesn't matter. Fair. Literally, look at this. Okay, copyright disclaimer. Okay, protected under fair use. Look at this video is under the protection of fair use. Okay, I literally have it in this part of the description as well. Copyright disclaimer. Fair use. Fair use, man. These so-called fair uses are permitted, but it doesn't matter. They literally, YouTube is not on our side, my friends. They are not on our side. Painted Bngo. I hope you have all seen that too. Yeah, that one's nice, but this one's gonna be better. This one's gonna be better. Okay, not to like be like competitive or anything, but yeah. Tease. Yep. I'm pulling a Mara today. I'm pulling a Mara today, boys. But yeah. Yep. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one. That is what's gonna send stop price. That's one of the only. It's one of our last chances to realistically actually affect the interest and knowledge of Bionano stop price. I've given up on my own channel. My whole being, my whole hope of Bionano doing well short term because of us is this. Long term, obviously, you all know what's going to happen. But Wall Street bets squeezing would be a net positive for the stock. I truly believe that. So that's why I'm doing this. That's why I'm doing this. Some people would say, Brandon, you're making us a meme stock. I don't want the apes coming in here. It's a net positive. I'm not going to do the rant again because I just did it like 10 minutes ago, 10, 15 minutes ago. Scroll back, please, if you're going to do that. And you know what? I'm probably going to have to do a whole video explaining why it is a net positive because there's so many people like, no, Wall Street bets is horrible. Don't memeify it. Dude, it's not inherently a bad thing to memeify something. Plus, even if we are making memes about it, guess what? That doesn't affect the company. The company just has a more auspicious opportunity because the stock price is higher. It literally does not affect the company. So I don't know. I think it is a net positive, man. If you don't think so, please give me your argument. I will work with you, my friends. I'll hear you out at least. I'll definitely hear you out. UVXY fear index is up right now. That's very scary. Dow is actually down. That's very weird. So the Nasdaq's actually not doing anything. Literally, Bionano goes up when the Nasdaq goes down. What the hell, man? What the hell is going on this week? Has been so crazy. So crazy. Oh, man. Yes, exactly. I don't get this pride thing about meme stock. Around here, we are about to make money. Yes, we're not. It's not just about making money, of course. You guys have heard the spiel. I'm not going to give you, but it's about giving. It's about health revolutions, right? It's about revolutionizing healthcare and screwing over the market manipulators. And I think it is worth the price of having a couple apes come in and say, "Oh, we're gonna, to the moon, Bngo to the moon, dude." It is worth it, man. I think it is worth it. Come on, how could you not think that's worth it? I think it's selfish not to think it's worth it. I'm sorry for having such a strong opinion on that, but I've thought about it for so long, and there's still people that I don't know. That's just what I think, man. Anything to help Bngo would be a positive. It's worth a try. Hell yes, it is. Hell yes, it is. It is, Sharon, my female friend. Have I gotten better on calling it guys and gals? I usually just say guys. Oh man. Cup and handle the one man. Yeah, there is a cup and handle. It's actually a perfect cup and handle now. Actually, yeah. Let me actually fix this trend line right here. Yeah, this is actually a perfect cup and handle now. We'll see. It's also a perfect double top though, right? That's the thing about cup and handles. It's nice, it's bullish, right? But it's also a double top, so you gotta be careful. Now this, what the? Okay, there we go. Try that again. There we go. Successful second try. But yeah. Is worth it strength in numbers equals investors? Yes. Yes. Bngo 2-3 years, hell yeah, dude. When Nano Nozzle comes out, I'm telling you, it is over. I don't know if it's gonna take a year, okay? I don't know if it's gonna take 5 years, all right? But I don't know when the day is gonna come. Even before that, there's 1,000 other catalysts that are gonna send us to $10, $30, $100. Yes, blah blah yada yada. We're gonna be successful without Nano Nozzle if we don't get it, but when we get it, and I think it's a win, not an if. You bet you are gonna wish you went through the pain of hodling every day just for the chance of that, because that's what I'm doing. That's what all the long-term OG hodler Bionanians are doing. We need a different. You know how everyone says Bionano Cowboys, right? The whole Westworld thing, which I haven't even seen Westworld, so I hate that. I wish we could do a more Lord of the Rings theme, but I have not even seen Westworld. What could another name be? You know how they call us the Bionano Cowboys, right? That's what everyone says, right? What is another description that we could do? Because I have not even seen Westworld, and a lot of people haven't because this thing is not even popular. I think. It got good reviews actually, which makes me actually want to watch it. But it's also it looks, I don't know. It probably I'm guessing it's bad, but it's who knows? It could be good. That sounds a little I don't know. But yeah. But yeah, what else should we call ourselves? Not the Cowboys. The Cowboys is fine, but it's I don't know. I don't know, man. I mean that's what we've been doing for so long. It's gonna be hard to change. But all right, Bionano boys, Bionanians. What else do we have? The Hobbits. That's what I wanted to be. Lord of the Rings. Anything Lord of the Rings, I'll take. Oh, man. All right. Should we be the Sith? Should we be the dark side? The dark side is a pathway to many abilities that some consider to be unnatural. Does anyone get that reference? Probably not. Love the video. Great work. Thanks for what you do. I got to stop pretending to work while I watch and actually work now. All right. All right. Thanks. You're a legend for that. I can relate to that, my friend. I can relate to that. Have it. Good luck out there. Good luck out there, man. Whatever you're doing, good luck out there, man. The gladiators, the bingo bastards. That just makes me think of Jon Snow. All you have to do is get past the bastard. Westworld is pretty good. You should watch it if nothing to do. Really? It is? Wow. Bngo Bros. Cowboys is fitting. The gladiators. Westworld's pretty good. Bing Bros. When the stocks gets over 850 and stays there, it will jump. 850? Bngo Bros. the Bionano Fellowship. Deoxyribonucleic acids? Is that you? I don't know how to pronounce the second part. I don't know how. Okay. The Bionano Fellowship. The Fellowship of the Ring. The Fellowship of Bionanians. The Fellowship of the Sapphire. That's pretty good. Fellowship of the Sapphire. Okay, that's pretty damn good. I think we may have to do that. Fellowship of the Sapphire. That's damn good. That's the best one I've heard so far. Do you guys like that one the best? I like that one the best so far. Bing bongs. Bongs. Of course someone's going to do that. All right. Fear index still up. That's scary. Scaring me. Look at CTRM. I think I have CTRM in the good companies. Up 5%. This thing is at 30 cents now? What? Wow. How oversold were you? Wow. Well, actually, not even that bad. That is crazy. This thing has gotten absolutely annihilated. Wow. 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 That is crazy. That is really... And this thing gets crazy volume, too. This thing gets crazy volume all the time. Man. A lot of YouTubers were saying... A lot of big YouTubers, not to give any names, but they were saying this is a good long-term buy all the way up there. All right. Alka Holman Ikes. Or is it Ikes or Ice? Lords of the Sapphire. A modern cowboy is a truck driver. Bngo, the Return of the King. Nano Nozzle Nation. Oh, there's a lot of these, man. Bngo nerds. Bngoers. Sapphire Saints. A cowboy is an animal herder who tends cattle on ranches in North America, traditionally on horseback. Okay, thank you for the definition. I like Fellowship of the Sapphire the best, I think, actually. I think I actually, yeah, I think I like Fellowship of the Sapphire the best. I think. Yeah. Fellowship of the Sapphire. I don't know. Fellowship of the Sapphire, man. I like that. Oh, wow. Are we breaking out right now? We are. We are. We got to make a new intraday high. Bionano has to make a new intraday high, though, to actually confirm this as a breakout. Come on. We got to make a new intraday high. Sapphire Nation. Posted your live link today on StockTwitch just now. You have built it. Bionanos will come. Oh, that makes me feel like Aragon. God, I'm such a nerd. Okay, we made a new intraday high. Yes, now we need to actually continue it. What the? It just disappeared. What the? Okay, there we go. Wow, you gonna see that wick just disappear? I hope that was a glitch, because that's not very reliable information there. Dude, average down if you can. Average price $6.99. Do what you can if you believe in the company. Make your own decision, though. Yes, Lords of the Hodl. Hey, thank you, Miles, for posting the link on the StockTwits, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Brendan, for being amazing as well. Sapphire Nation. I like Fellowship of the Sapphire the best, I think, right now. What do you guys think? I don't think we're actually going to be able to change the mainstream of the Bngo Cowboys, which is fine. The Cowboys is fine. I'll tell you what, maybe I'll like if Westworld is actually good, I will not try to change it. But I'm not really trying to change it. I'm just trying to get another name in, you know, because Lord of the Rings, we need a Lord of the Rings, Star Wars, Game of Thrones, Braveheart. We need something like that, you know. That'll get more mainstream adoption, you know. Westworld, no one knows Westworld, I feel like. I mean, is this a popular show? I feel like this is not a popular show. No one's gonna get that reference, you know. We need it. And this is actually important because the Wall Street Bet people are gonna care about this. The Wall Street Bet people like Lord of the Rings more than Westworld. I guarantee you. Lord of the Rings is like the most common meme on Wall Street Bets. Actually, I would say, probably. I mean, if I scroll down here, we can maybe find one. Honestly, I've sent. Do you guys? The very first GME meme I saw was actually Lord of the Rings: Return of the King, Gandalf and Pippin, at the in the city. What's the city called? Is it Minas Tirith? Is that what the city is called, or the city right next to it? I don't even know. The beacons are lit. The beacons of Minas Tirith are lit. Counter the shorts, asserting reality is entirely ethical. We invest in the future, and so we assemble evidence with optimism. Yes. Yes. We assemble evidence with optimism. And one of the ways we can assemble some of that optimism is just naturally increasing the interest of the stock, which is why we are doing the meme video and trying to get Wall Street Bets on our cause. It is a net positive for the stock. It is a net positive for the stock. I am convinced. Westworld was amazing at first. Really? All right. I'm going to come on here tomorrow. Well, actually, no. I'm actually rewatching Game of Thrones right now. But I'm only going to watch the first season because that's the only one I can do nowadays. I don't watch anymore because they're not good enough. But I like Pippin's song. Is stuck to me. What do you call it? Yeah, dude, Lord of the Rings, that's my go-to music when I'm working. Yeah, Lord of the Rings music. And metal music, of course. But volume picking up. Volume picking up, what are you talking about? There is no volume. Okay, respectfully, there is no... Look at this freaking volume, man. There's nothing. Look at the volume's actually been decreasing on the day, roughly. Look at how low it was right here. Oh, my gosh. It's so sad. It's so sad. That's why I was up till 1 a.m. yesterday doing this. Hopefully this video can blow up. Of course, it probably won't. Okay, let's be honest. It probably, between me and you, it's not going to do shit. Wall Street Bets is going to remove the post that I do of the meme video for us. The video is going to do horrible. The video is going to get copyrighted. It's going to get taken down. It already has been copyrighted, but it hasn't been taken down. So I can still post it to my knowledge. So hopefully we're all right. All right. Edge of the Night. Is that what the song is called? I like, what's that one song called? Into the West. I actually like that song. I'm not one for pop music, but that's like a soft Lord of the Rings style music song in the actual score, and it's actually a good one, actually. For me at least. The Lord of the Rings score is the best of all time. Come on, Concerning Hobbits is the best piece of music of all time, besides Killswitch Engage. All right, have enjoyed Cobra Kai, but only just finished the first season. Dude, isn't that horrible? Cobra Kai. Hold on a second. Is that the freaking, what do you call it? The Karate Kid thing? Daniel LaRusso. Is that the one that did it? Is that the one that did the freaking old one? Or is that the name of the guy in the old one? The name of the actual character? I don't know. This thing probably sucks. That's why I haven't tried it. Okay, yeah, it is karate. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not gonna even try this. Yeah. All right, but it could be good. It could be good. Jerkio for the boys. Is that a pop culture reference? Because I don't know pop culture. You guys know I don't do pop culture. Pop culture is off limits here. Not really. You say whatever you want. You do whatever you want. But yeah, we don't do pop culture here. Pop culture knowledge for me is zero. Zero, my friends. Actually, negative. Negative. I'm anti-pop culture. Yeah, no. Never. No, nothing against you. No disrespect to all the Gen Zs, okay? And the millennials, okay? I'm in that range too, okay? I'm in college, right? But the typical Gen Z and millennial, I kind of hate their pop culture crap. Gonna be honest with you. If you get offended, I don't care. I don't care at all. At all. All right, 562 is where we're at. Yeah, is that pop culture? Because I don't know. Bngo squad dedicated to the truth and fighting corruption and spreading truths about Sapphire Power. Yes, that's good. I'm actually going to copy and paste that. I'm going to copy and paste that into my actual document because that's a good articulation. If you don't mind, Jameson Bad. I'm going to copy and paste that into my document here about about this one right here. I'm going to copy and paste that right here. All right. Yep. That's what we're going to do. Not going to lie, I'm a Gen Z and I hate TikTok. It's not just TikTok that I hate. Oh, God, I lost so many viewers during that. That makes sense. All right, let's get back to stocks. Let's get back to stocks. Also, let me check the Twitter. Let me check see if we got any more news. Let me refresh the institutional ownership. Oh, what the heck? Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that glitch right there? Hold on. Let me refresh that again, see if it does that again. What the? Okay, no, that was the February. I thought it said 26th and it was February 26th. I thought it was May 26th. That would have been insane. All right. By the way, we're gonna get premium FinTel one of these days. Let me check the Discord. Did you ever send the freaking link to the, what do you call it? What link was I trying to get? I don't know. Cobra Kai picks up the story. Oh, how Johnny's life is screwed and the grumpy old man has the original Johnny and Daniel. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, that is pretty. Yeah. All right. Brothers, what Bngo does in life echoes in eternity. Gladiator reference. Oh, I wouldn't get that. I wouldn't get that. I have Gladiator recorded. I watched it a while ago, but I don't remember anything about it, so I have to watch that again. All right. Bngo pushing like AMC. Hell yes, it's gonna push like AMC pretty soon. I swear to God. Once this video, I'm gonna do everything I can to pump this video as much as we can. I'm gonna do everything I can. I'm actually considering using, if this video does well to begin with. I'm probably gonna use it. I'm actually gonna put it as an ad. I'm actually gonna pay YouTube a couple $100, maybe $1,000. I don't even have $1,000 actually to pay him, but yeah, I don't even have $1,000 to spend on that. But yeah, I'm gonna spend money on the ads because it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good, man. Havana Woody, good morning, my friend. Good morning. All right. Actually, I'm gonna end the stream. That's a bad time because I'm actually gonna end the stream pretty soon. What time do I have this set up for? Whatever. I'll look at that later. All right, 560 where we're at right now. Let me check the high growth sector. We're already on it. Nice job, Brandon. Microvision up 6%. Wow, damn it. I want this thing to go down. No. Power. Unlimited power. And then he kills freaking Windu, right? Is that the reference to the Revenge of the Sith reference, my friend? Is that it? I bet there's a lot of lines in movies that say power, unlimited power, though. So. All right. So up 3% right now, doing very well, outperforming the markets a very good amount. And this is one reason why I don't really stress out when we underperform the NASDAQ, because it just goes both ways. It just goes both ways. Master Commander works too. We had a little ship taking on the big fast starship, winning with smarts. Yes. Are you talking like Star Wars? Or yeah. Yeah. All right. Yes. Okay. But yeah. Anyways, yeah. Let's look at the fear index. We're down. What? Okay. Fear index is down now. Good. Good. Man, there's no. What? This thing is barcoding too. Wow. What's up with so many stocks barcoding lately? There's no volume. Is the interest in the stock market going down? Finally. Not enough to send us into perpetual bull market. Not perpetual, but a real bull market or a real bear market. Sorry. Excuse me. Let me look at the ticks here. 5,000 shares, 5,000. Good. I like to see it. Not enough to make up for that 62,000 sale, though. Man, that was very bad. Very bad. 62,000 share sale we saw earlier. Ships like they sail. Okay, yeah. I agree with you. I thought you were like making Star Wars reference there, but yeah, I got you. Okay, cool. Bitcoin. Doing nothing. Doing nothing. This has kind of been a boring day for all the things that we've had fun with today. It's still kind of been a boring day, although Bionano is super green today, so I can't complain at all, right? And we had they did tweet out, I guess, so it's not news at all. I mean, it's just vote reminder, but yeah. Also, I'm going to send the link to the vote if anyone needs to vote again right now, one more time. Just in case. If you have Bionano shares, you need to go vote. You really need to go vote right now. Please vote with the company. Wow, Ethereum doing very well. Wow, what is this one again? Okay, there is no profile. Somebody tell me what the ETC is. It's the Grayscale Ethereum Classic Trust. Okay. This thing is up 8% right now. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Up from $10 to 90. Wow. In a couple days. Not a couple days, a couple weeks, I should say. Mora, come on now, Mora. I need you to go down to below 20, and then I'll think about buying you. If we hold the current share price, do you still see us breaking out sometime this week? Oh man. As time goes on, this cup and handle becomes more and more unlikely because we need to get a break probably today, really. We need to get a break above this handle today for me to be optimistic about this cup and handle formation because handles don't go on this long typically. You get a break. I would say you get a break right about around this range. And today we need a break right now. So I still think we get. It's hard to say because the damn inflation, the core inflation is what it's going to be. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm very scared about the inflation. I'm actually more scared with. There's so many different things to the markets that I'm not going to rant about. There's one thing that I really like about the markets, and there's two things that I absolutely am very scared about, and I absolutely hate about the markets. As far as the government and inflation and policies and economic stuff. That could affect the markets very, very much. But I am still bullish on Bionano. And the thing that makes me very bullish on Bionano is that we are still flirting with the 21-day SMA. Right now it's at 566. The longer we stay with it, the more likely it is to break. It's like the second most important rule of technical analysis, man. The more times you hit a level of resistance, the more likely you are to break it. That is what we're breaking. That's what we're trying to break right now, man. The inflation is already here. That's the thing. It's where is the balance between, okay, people have already priced in a ton of inflation, or, it's going to be worse than we thought. It's like, well, no one knows. No one knows. That's the question, man. And where does the stock market's increase in interest actually come in and come in that effect, if that makes sense? How much of it is already priced in? But yeah, I am scared. I am scared, man. There's a lot of cases. You can make a very good case for the Nasdaq being due for and the S&P due for a 20% correction right now. You can make a good case for that. Is it going to happen? The only thing that would actually effectuate that, though, short term, is either crazy inflation or what's the other thing? Horrible. I guess the other thing is not really that sharp, but just a continuation of insane spending, in my opinion, economic policies, where it's literally just we are the most interventionist government policies, economic stance of all time. Obviously, I mean, come on, no other government props the economy up by printing and low interest rates and buying a ton of what. Okay, the government is spending more money than I think probably all time right now. Probably, I don't know. I don't know the numbers, but I would bet 99% sure this current government is spending more than ever before, or at least very close to it. But anyways, yeah. Hey, that's not necessarily bad. If you think that's the right economic policy, that's fine. But I think there are serious ramifications when you start running the money printer and start having the government spend a limitless amount of money. But the other side of the coin is like, well, we also have unemployment benefits, like crazy unemployment benefits ending, which that is going to increase in more. That's going to result in more jobs, most likely, and that's probably going to be good for the markets, right? All right. Inflation would make the market inflate then, lol. And hey, inflation. Hey, there's an argument to be made. A lot. I don't know what I think about this, to be honest with you. A lot of people think that inflation, if inflation comes, it's actually going to help the markets, because then, well, you can't keep your money in a bank account. It's just going to lose even more of its value. You have to put it in something that's going to appreciate in value, which is going to be the stock market, the S&P 500. All the people that are using the savings account, say goodbye to the savings account, say hello to the S&P 500 index fund, right? And that's going to send us higher, my friends. So it's like, well, you can make an argument for both sides, man. I really don't know. I am really undecided on whether I think we're going to go up or down. I think one thing is for certain, we're not going to see we're probably not going to see February 16th levels or higher until either inflation gets inflation numbers are not that bad, or the spending kind of slows down. But then once the government stops spending a ton of money, then the market's going to freak out, because low interest rates, the government's not going to start, they're not going to hold our hands, which in my opinion, if they stop doing that stuff, it's good midterm, but the market's going to freak out short term. So it's really complicated. At the end of the day, if you're in doubt about the markets, I would just say have some buying power, have some risk management, but realize that it's better to be in the markets than out, unless something crazy happens with the economic policies, which it probably won't. It's better to be in than out, because perpetually the markets go up, and it's going to take something really crazy to not make that true. Odds of a Fed coin to challenge Bitcoin. I don't know. I haven't looked into that. I hear a lot of rumors about the Fed making a new coin to challenge Bitcoin. They're certainly corrupt enough to do it. If they did it, I don't think it would work. So not very likely. Bitcoin's going to do great things. You guys know what I think about Bitcoin. All right. Lots of headwinds in the market, but we could be climbing a wall of worry as long as wage inflation stays capped. We really won't know until August, when unemployment benefits ends. Wait, unemployment benefits ends in August? Wait a second. For everyone? For what states? States they're deciding on a state-by-state basis with the crazy, I say crazy, I guess, just very generous unemployment benefits. When do those end? In August is when you think they end. Is that when they all end? Is that when they all are ending? I think it is, actually. Is that right? The Fed coin defeats the point of decentralized. Yeah, it does. It does. The whole point of Bitcoin and crypto is to get away from the government, get the government out of, the government is literally everywhere now. The Patriot Act, they're everywhere, right? That's the point of crypto, man. Decentralized, you don't need a third party to verify transactions. You just have 1,000 miners, the majority do it, right? So unemployment ends in June mostly. 25 states ending in June. Wow. Okay, that's good. Well, that's actually, yeah, that should be good for the markets. Well, people are so stupid. They might think, oh, they're not getting money, they're going to, whatever. I guess that's a little too opinionated, but yeah. That's good, I'd say that's good, largely, for the markets. Short and midterm and long term. All right. Also, not to mention, what happens once COVID is just over, right? I mean, I don't even keep up with it now. I mean, masks are pretty much done now, right? I mean, well, at my college, at Jury, my college that I go to, we don't have to wear masks anymore, man. We don't have to wear masks on campus, which is amazing. But anyways, yeah, I guess I shouldn't say, because some people are like, mask up. Some people are like, no. All right, but anyways, yeah. But yeah, the COVID. But what I was gonna say, there's a point to the story. Once we recover from COVID, mostly, that's gonna send the markets higher, don't you think? But once we recover from COVID, interest rates are coming. No stimulus, no accommodative policy that's ending. So it's like, well, just what's the effects gonna be? It's really hard to gauge. The Pandemic Emergency Unemployment Compensation Program, provides 53 weeks of additional benefits. It went into effect in April, and it expires the benefit week ending September 5th. Now, is that emergency unemployment compensation, is that one, you don't have to answer this. Just give me the ape language. I trust you. You don't have to give me all the details. But tell me, 10K cases mastered done. Okay, so it's pretty much done. It's pretty much done then. All right. Hold on. Which question which rabbit hole do we want to go down here? Okay, I'll just say this. You know what, JJ? Thank you for that information. I'll just say, once those things end, which is going to be pretty soon. I guess September is not super soon, but that's kind of soon. Once those end, that's going to be a overall midterm good thing for the markets. All right. So masks are masks done completely? Is the mask mandate finally done? I don't go outside. I just when I go outside, I just drive and do errands. I don't have to go into places often. I literally just work 10 hours a day. I don't go outside. I don't go outside. I just work. It's not work to me though. I enjoy it, okay? But yeah. You go to jury in Southwest Missouri. Yes. Yes. I think that's what Kathy Woods has said as well. There are massive amounts of money waiting to be spent by Main Street. Damn, Bionano's just falling, dude. We got rejected perfectly. We literally broke out of the intraday high, and then we just got rejected. It's like, what? It's like, what kind of signal is that? It's like, oh. CDC says you don't need masks anymore. Okay, nice. Nice. Dude, the interest rates are coming up. But the jobs are so bad because of the unemployment benefits. And then the interest rates are coming. All right. We're going to end the stream here in a second. I hate to see Bionano falling like this. I hate to see it. I'll be happy if we end the day like this, honestly. But look at the volume. Oh, I'm not even going to, I'm not even going to talk about the volume. The volume is just bad. And we're not, that's all. I don't need to say anything. It's just bad. I think only for outside. But individual establishments can still mandate masks. Right, your business, the businesses still have the right to ask you to do pretty much whatever. Last I heard, no masks if you're vaccinated, and others around are vaccinated, indoors as well. Have you all got the vaccine? What's the vaccine count in this chat? Has everyone got the vaccine already? What's the numbers for vaccine? What's the numbers for getting the vaccine or not? I wonder. We're all adults here. We're not trying to get all, there's not, I don't think there's anyone, I don't, honestly, at this point, if no one has been like, oh, you're taking sides, you're whatever the hell they want to say, whatever the offended people want to say. At this point, I think it's okay if you say if you're vaccinated or not, okay? I don't think we're going to divide the channel if you say if you're vaccinated or not. I don't think so, at least. Correct me if I'm wrong on that, okay? God. It's insane, man. It's insane the amount of freaking, the polarization, right? That's insane. I live in Springfield too. Got to spread that Bngo news. Really? You live in Springfield too, my friend? Really? Springfield, Missouri. Not the most particularly interesting place. I'm definitely, well, I can't really move away, but the vaccine can kiss my ass. The vaccine can kiss my ass. Oh, shit, that's too funny, man. The vaccine can kiss my ass. That's such a Braveheart thing to say. I love how you said arse, not ass. I love that. The subtle medieval hint. If that was even it's only 50% vaccinated. Wow. Yeah, I'm not trying to pick sides here, okay? I'm not. Okay, I promise you, but yeah, I have not got it either as of now, my friends. You have to please make your own decisions. You have to wear masks in hospitals and schools even if fully vaccinated. Wow, okay. Not jury though, not colleges. My college, apparently I heard, at least I don't know if it's true. I assume it's true. You don't have to wear masks at my college. So, hell yeah. All right. I identify as vaccinated. Checkmate list. Oh, god damn it, man. Dang, you guys are too funny. Man. I can't focus on stocks when there's so many funny things going on. All right, broader markets. UVXY is up again. Dang it. Nasdaq's just been falling today. Nasdaq's just been falling since the open. We gapped up. Now we're almost back to yesterday's close. SafeMoon tweeted. I'm gonna be honest with you. What even is the ticker for SafeMoon? That is a stock, right? No, it's not. I thought it was. Safe hold? I don't know. Anyways. Oxygen. Covaxin. Is that the freaking... I don't even... Hold on. Where's oxygen? I have oxygen here. I can give you a look at the technicals really quick for oxygen. Man, this thing is all the way back down to where it was before. Wow, that's crazy. Almost, at least. Still up 100% from 4, but... Man, this thing at 4x and then it was right back down. That's crazy. All the way down to 8 from 14 in about 3 days. That's awesome. I mean, that's not awesome, but yeah. My take is that it's a nice... SafeMoon is a coin. Oh, it's a coin. Okay, gotcha. I knew I heard it before. I knew I heard it before. Okay, I'm not a crypto wizard. I'm not a crypto wizard, my friends. But we're gonna end the stream here in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes max. Shitcoin. SafeMoin is most likely a Ponzi scheme, so watch out on that one. Are you wearing boxer shorts under the jacket? Pretty much. I'm wearing shorts. I never wear pants. I never wear pants. I'm not wearing. It's bad enough that I'm wearing a jacket in my own house, but I'm wearing shorts under. So yeah. All right. But yeah, Oxygen. I'll just say there's nothing interesting particularly about the technicals at all. So I can't really give any interesting insight at all. I'll just say if you're going to be investing in Oxygen, you better understand the technology, right? Same thing with Bionano. If you're going to be investing in Bionano, you better understand the risk. And Bionano is actually a better opportunity for, in my mind at least, if you don't understand it, just because, we're undervalued a lot right now. I think a lot of people disagree with that. But, yeah. All right. Can you do a quick on ETC? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe we'll do that at the end, but we're gonna end the stream here in a second. I'm not gonna take ticker requests because that's a rabbit hole, right? There's 1,000 tickers that we want to that everyone wants covered, so I can't really do that. I can look really quickly. This is the last one I'm gonna look at, ETC, because I'm feeling nice right now. Isn't this the exact same chart as Bitcoin, except it's way late? Actually, not really. No, this is definitely not the same chart as Bitcoin. Kind of. This is kind of correlated to Bitcoin, but not really. Not really, though. I'm guessing. I don't know anything about this crypto. I guess this is a crypto, right? It's an Ethereum Classic Trust. Filecoin is starting to look interesting. May replace the cloud. That sounds interesting. That does sound interesting. CCC coffee with what the okay. All right, that's nice. That's a high interest, highly important comment right there. All right, anyways, with this one, let me see if I can find any interesting indicators. Ooh, you're about to get rejected at the 21-day SMA. That's your first interesting indicator. Take a look at the moving averages. Wow, a lot of resistance about to come up for ETC. But yeah, I'm not necessarily bearish. Neutral in the RSI. Let me see this 4 hourly. I'm sorry if I seem bored right now. It's because I feel I need to go eat. That's why I'm trying to end the stream in 5 minutes. ASXC today at Oppenheimer. ASXC is an interesting one, man. I'm not going to do it at technicals, but that is an interesting one. God, that hair, stay up there. Stay up there. All right. All right, we're getting out of here. All right, boys. We're going to do relevant information regards to title is finished now. Please leave now. I'm just going to talk about the meme video that we're going to do, and then we're going to end the stream. And then last minute questions that y'all have, all right? The meme video, please, if you're going to... here we go with another spiel. Please consider pumping this video whenever it comes out. It's going to come out today at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock Central Time at market close. It's coming out market close. Please consider pumping this video and doing whatever you can to pump the video, because this is going to be the best video of all time. So, get a perm, please. Nope. Right. But yeah. Yeah, God, when I see comments, sometimes it's a blank out. It's because I haven't eaten. I need to go eat and watch Game of Thrones, and then my brain cells will regenerate. I own their competitor, ISRG. What? Would you perm your hair if Bngo doubles? I'll tell you what, if Bngo doubles, I'll make you this promise right now. I'm one of those people that does crazy stuff if good things happen. So I'll tell you what, if Bionano goes to 10 by the end of June, I will either A, I'll shave my beard, or B, I don't know what I'll do. I'll do some crazy haircut. I want to say bald, but then again, I'm not that crazy. Plus, I hate going outside of my house if it's not for something productive. I don't like to waste time. So, I don't know. I'll do something. What should I do? If Bionano hits 10 in June, what should I do? I'll do something crazy. I don't know. What should I do? Tell me. YOLO in? YOLO in another life savings board. YOLO in another life savings. Oh, I could do that. I do that anyways, though. Let's hope Bngo continues higher lows and higher highs than the 5 min. It's not looking good. I'm going to be honest with you. The chart is not looking that great. I mean, macroscopically, it's not looking amazing. I mean, the only hope we have macroscopically is that, yes, we've touched the middle Bollinger Band and we're about to break out. Plus, we have the 4 hourly cup and handle. That's the bullish news. The bearish news, is that we had a bull pennant and we broke to the downside. The technical price target is all the way down to 493-ish. And also the bearish news is that the 1-day chart is not looking good. Also bearish news is that there's a ton of headwinds, potential headwinds in the markets. So guess you're going to the facility half bald. Half bald. Is that what we should do? I'll do that. If it's going to actually increase views, I will do that. Make it. If I make a video that says Wall Street bets, I will shave my hair. I will go bald if we go to $10 in June. I'll do that. We have our disagreements, but I prefer your channel to other stock YouTubers. Go as curly as me. Oh. All right. Mythical Physics, man, I appreciate that. You enjoy the channel more than other style YouTubers. Well, I'm glad you can realize, and this sounds a little cocky, but yeah, it's true, okay? I show my portfolio. You guys already know my portfolio, okay? It's all Bionano, okay? I recently sold, it was JMIA and more. I had like 1 share of each. I sold them this morning when they were up pre-market. Or yesterday, I think, no, it was yesterday, actually. Yeah, yesterday. And then, yeah, I have a little bit of buying power right now. My portfolio is there. I try to be honest. I try to be transparent. I try to admit the mistakes. So yeah, that's kind of why I get extra pissed off when bears don't recognize that. So Mythical Physics, that's why I get pissed off with you sometimes. But yeah, I appreciate that you're kind of coming to the dark side. But honestly, it's more like I don't know. You're coming to the fellowship, I guess. The Fellowship of the Sapphire welcomes you if you are going to be Mythical Physics. So are you bearish, Mythical Physics? Are you bearish or not, man? Shave eyebrows and pencil in surprise one. Shave eyebrows. Get the Yoda haircut. You need a green jacket like winner of the Masters. I've been meaning to switch up the jackets, but I don't like any of my other jackets. This one just looks so much better. Also, why is the camera so high? Let's put it down a little bit so you can see the suit a little more. Maybe that. Okay. Oh man, my ass is too sore. My arse is too sore. That's why I keep adjusting. We're good. We got that. That just tells you how we need to end the stream. We need to end the stream. We need to get out of here. We're ending the stream right now. We're ending the stream right now. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much. It's not financial advice. All right, y'all. Make sure you watch this video. It's premiering at 3 o'clock today. And actually, I'm gonna set a. I'm gonna give you the link in the stream right now, so you don't forget to watch this today. 3 o'clock. Please pump this video if you're gonna. If you've ever appreciated anything we've done here, please consider supporting that video. I already told you I'm a bullish bear. Okay, fair enough. But you say this bear manifesto crap, so I don't know. Mullet. I kind of have a mullet already, right? I don't. It's long on the top and long on the back, though. But yeah, I'm cool with the mullet. Like an extra long, evened out mullet. Yes, that's kind of what I have. So yeah, I'm cool with that. All right, boys. All right. We're out of here. Thank you so much, boys. Please consider pumping this video right when it comes out to help the algorithm. I think this is our best chance, this and Wall Street Bets, at helping Bionano to return to its true fundamental value and pump it. Give healthcare revolutions a more auspicious opportunity, not only for increasing the life expectancy, but the life quality, increasing that as well. I think it's a great cause. Please make your own decisions, but I think that's what we should do. Get an artist to come in and paint a Bngo mural on your back wall. I need a better background, don't I? I do need a better background. Do you guys see the guitar in the background? Let me zoom in there. Hold on. I don't even know if I can. But yeah. Yeah, there's a guitar in the background. That's how professional our background is. All right, boys. We're out of here. Thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. Please watch that video. All right, thank y'all so much. I'll see y'all in the next one.